All right, let's get right into it. Picking a driving school in Leamington, it's a way bigger deal than most of us think. This isn't just about passing a test and getting your license. Nope. This is about setting you up with skills for a lifetime of safe driving. So let's break down how you can make the absolute best choice. Seriously, think about this for a minute. What's the real difference? Just about anyone can memorize the rules and pass a 20-minute road test. But becoming a genuinely safe, confident driver who can handle anything, well, that's a whole different ballgame. The real prize isn't that little plastic card. It's the confidence you have every single time you get behind the wheel.
And that brings us to the single biggest challenge for new drivers. It's something we call the practice gap. Here's the deal. Just taking lessons is never enough. If you don't get high-quality, structured practice in between those lessons, those critical real-world skills, they just don't stick.
Okay, so let's zoom in on Leamington specifically, because where you learn to drive really matters. Driving here has its own unique quirks and challenges, and any good school has to get you ready for them, not just some generic driving test. First on the list, you've got Highway 3. You have to know how to merge into fast-moving traffic, manage your speed, and keep a safe distance. These are skills you've got to have down cold. It takes real confidence and the ability to spot hazards before they become a problem. And then you've got the total opposite challenge, downtown Leamington. We're talking about those tight corners around Talbot and Erie Street, with pedestrians everywhere and cars parked on both sides. That requires a totally different mindset, patience, precision, and being super aware of your surroundings. And let's not forget the seasons change things. When summer hits and everyone heads for Point Pelee, roads like Seacliff Drive can get absolutely packed. That tourist traffic is unpredictable, and it means you have to be on high alert, driving defensively all the time. So, with all that in mind, how in the world do you pick a school that actually prepares you for all this? Well, you need a game plan. You need a checklist. So let's build one right now so you can evaluate all your options like a pro. All right, here's what to look for. First, is it MTO approved? That's not just a sticker on the window. It's what can cut down your wait time for your G2. Next, how deep does the curriculum go? Are they just teaching you to pass the test, or are they teaching you real defensive driving? And what about those in-car lessons? Are they just driving around, or is there a plan? Crucially, what support do they give you to close that practice gap we talked about? And finally, what's the real value? Don't just look at the price tag. Look at the skills you're actually getting for that money. So let's take this checklist and put it to the test. We're going to take a close look at one of the biggest names out there, Young Drivers of Canada, and see how they stack up. This will give us a really solid benchmark to compare everyone else to. Remember that huge problem we identified, the practice gap? Well, the first thing you'll notice is that Young Drivers makes closing that gap a core part of their whole system. They're not just about the lessons. They've built their program to make the practice you do between lessons way more effective. And this quote right here really gets to the heart of it. A benchmark approach just means they're not teaching to the bare minimum. They're focused on skills that actively prevent collisions. We're talking advanced hazard perception, emergency maneuvers, stuff you might not get in a standard course that's just trying to get you past the test. So how do they actually do it? Well, a big piece of the puzzle is technology, like their driver's coach app. It gives you and whoever's supervising your practice a clear plan, so you know exactly what to work on. It even gives feedback, turning a random drive to the grocery store into a real training session. And this is key. It lets you track the skills you're building, not just the number of hours you've been on the road. But of course, Young Drivers isn't the only option, and everyone's needs are a bit different. So to be fair, and to give you the full picture, let's look at how this approach compares head-to-head with the other local schools in Leamington. This little chart breaks it down pretty clearly. You've got a school like Canadian Driving, which offers a very traditional, straightforward package at a clear set price. Then you have Adept Driver, which gives you more flexibility with different package tiers and add-ons. They both contrast with the Young Drivers model, which bundles in that extra practice support. You'll notice you have to check with them for the price, and that kind of highlights the difference in philosophy. You've got the straightforward, price-focused options versus a more premium, all-in-one system. So when you strip it all away, this is the core choice you have in Leamington. On one side, you have a comprehensive system with a deep curriculum and tools like a practice app, all focused on building lifelong skills. On the other side, you have more traditional models that might come with a lower initial price tag. The question you have to ask yourself is, what am I really paying for? Okay, so now you've got the lay of the land. You know what to look for. So what are your actual next steps? Let's map out the journey from the day you get your G1 to the day you're a fully licensed driver here in Ontario.
Right. The licensing system here is graduated, which means it's designed to build your experience over time. Normally, once you get your G1, you have to wait a full 12 months before you can take your G2 road test. But, and this is a big but, if you complete an approved driving course, you can take that test after only 8 months. From there, it's at least another year until you can get your full G license.
Let's just stop and think about that for a second. 4 months. That is a huge chunk of time you can shave off the waiting period, just by choosing a ministry-approved course. That's not just a small perk, it's a massive tangible benefit that really shows the value of proper training. So here is your action plan, plain and simple. First, map out your timeline. Second, choose the Leamington Driving School package that really fits your goals. Third, book your training, but just as importantly, schedule regular, consistent practice sessions. Fourth, use a tool to make that practice count. And fifth, a little pro tip. Book your road test way in advance, because those spots in Leamington can fill up fast.
And that brings us right back to where we started, with the single most important question you can ask. As you start this whole process, ask yourself this: am I just trying to pass a test, or am I trying to become a driver who is safe, confident, and ready for anything the road can throw at me for the next 50 years? Because the choice you make right now, that's what's going to decide the answer.